Hungry?
Just won a trip to Mexico, so I'm feeling pretty damn good.
Yeah.
You know, I just eat it. Basically, it just requires you having a lot of fluids. Yeah, make sure that you don't overstuff your mouth. And then, yeah, just keep drinking water and hope for the best. I don't know what else.